Hello friends, hope you are well. TechManPat here. Welcome to another unboxing. This one is a bit different. I've never heard of this brand of earphones and I'm really excited to see what they're bringing to the market because it is not cheap. It's a $200 pair of noise cancelling earphones that should be rivaling all of the other big brands. Under this Bunnings beanie that I'm going to put on now because it's damn cold is one more. This brand is obviously trying to look very professional. There's like a little metal tab on the side. The box itself is really nicely printed. So let's have a look at the box. Let's zoom in and let's unbox the one more true wireless ANC in-ear headphones. All right, here we have it. Let's do this. Let's see what these headphones are like, or earphones as they want to call it. Let's get the plastic undone and see what's inside. Now, like I said, this brand was unknown to me for a little while. They reached out last year, but due to the whole COVID thing, apparently, well, they emailed and said, unfortunately, delivery of these items was delayed. So we had to wait for quite a while to actually get this. And here we have that little metal tab I was mentioning before. I think it is there to be opened, yes, it's a magnetic latch. That's cool. Before we get to that, let's have a look at what they say on the back. We have 22-hour battery life. We have 65 battery life for standby, and we have Bluetooth audio compatible, and you've got AAC, high quality, blah, blah, blah. It's cool. Ready to use, free to switch over. Not sure what that means, but we'll find out. Smart voice control means we can use both Google and Siri, and we've also got wireless charging available. I wonder if this means that this has wireless charging. There's not much else. There's a lot of Chinese and Korean writing here, so this might be targeted more at the Asian market, but we have here Design Award winner 2019. We've got one more true wireless ANC in-ear headphones, integrated triple mic. Well, that's interesting for the ANC, I suppose. Hybrid dual drive design with direct drive BA technology. 15-minute fast charge enables 2-hour use. Okay, 15 minutes charge, and then you'll get to, I suppose, use it for 2 hours. We'll see what happens with that because I'll be doing a full review, not just an unboxing of this. So let's get opening. Let's flip that tab to the side and see what's inside. Hey, okay, let's start with this side here. Look at this, that looks so cool. I love things like this when they sort of draw things out. I mean, they probably did it after the fact. I don't think they actually used the real designs, but it kind of looks like they put a bit of effort into this. Maybe this might be a little bit better than a cheap knockoff. So let's move into the actual item here, and you've got a plastic cover on the top, and if I can get to it, there we go, I can lift that out. And what does it say on here? It doesn't really say much, it's just a bunch of instructions and maybe some specifications. Double click, oh yeah, actually what the buttons do. So we'll have a look at that in a moment. But we've got the pill box here, we've got the earphones here. And so if we let's see what's in the box here separately. Can I open this? How does this open? There we go. Oh wow, okay. So we've got a carrying case and there's something inside. And what is this? This is a charging cable and it's USB-C, fantastic, very good. And then we've got the rubber ear tips. We've got a couple in here, let's have a look. So this one here obviously has a little bit of an ear grip on the side there, as you can see. And of course, you can choose different sizes. So there's different sizes in each of these packets. Quite a lot of them, that's impressive. I'm kind of liking the value so far because not everybody provides so many of these. But these ones don't have the ear hinge or the ear holder. There we go. Again, different sizes. These might be a bit more what you might see in other earphones. Hopefully, you'll never run out of ear tips. There is actually one more packet with just 2. And these look quite a lot different. They've got a little tab on the side there. Maybe that will help you fit in better. Right and left on it, and that's it. All right, let's get to the pill box because this is exactly what it looks like. It's quite large. It's much bigger than Apple's AirPods, but it's actually metal, I believe, on the outside, and I like that. And it's comparable to this one here. And I mean, size-wise, it's quite easy which one to choose for traveling, but we'll see how it goes with the actual use case. We have a little pad on the back. It's a rubber pad, so when it stands, it's pretty solid, doesn't sort of bump around. And the space for them is really large. Look at that. And it closes with a very satisfying click. Oh, we have something right here. We have a little gift baggie, as they always put some stuff in there. We've got some things to scan. We've got a sticker for one more, and we've got a massive, thick book of instructions. Must be really complex. And so now let's get these ones out of here. We've got another box to open, and we lift these out like so. And I didn't think they were going to be this big, but they are quite large. Let's have a look at them. These are massive. Look at these. These are huge. Wow. Let's compare them to the Beats wireless. I mean, overall, yes, this seems a little bit bigger, but if you remove just the little ear grip here, that's huge. All right, let's have a little bit of a look. One more, a little bit of red trim. There's a button in the back, 2 charging bits, and we've got the cover here. So if I take this off, it obviously comes in with 2 bits. So you have one bit that lands in your ear, and then we have the actual bit that goes inside the ear. So hopefully you can put that back on quite easily, and that's it. Well, let's put them back in the box, get them a charge, and I will start using them. I think I know why it's quite big, and it's probably because there's a lot of little attachments that you can change. So this has to account for the fact that you're going to change. It has to account for the fact that you might change your tips and still have to fit in there. But that was a pretty quick, snug fit with magnets, and that's what we're expecting. It should certainly go in very quickly. It's $200. Let's get a full review to you guys, and we'll let you know how it goes, if it's any good. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye!